Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your bank account on Robinhood. First, make sure you've downloaded the Robinhood app on your phone. If you're an iPhone user, you can get it from the App Store. And if you're on Android, download it from the Play Store. Once that's done, open the app and log in to your account. After logging in, you'll see the home page. On the bottom right corner, tap the profile icon. This will open up your account menu. From here, tap Transfers. You can also use the search bar and type Transfers to get there quickly. Now, you'll see a list of your linked banks. Simply select the bank you want to remove. Then tap Remove or Unlink. Robinhood will ask you to confirm, so just confirm if you're sure. If you'd like to add a new bank account, go back to Link Accounts and follow the prompts to connect your new bank. And that's it. That's how you change your bank account on Robinhood. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.